Hey! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this smartphone. First of all, select an app, for example Play Store, and click on square button. Then you need to click on this white icon at the top right corner of your app and select the other one, like Chrome. From here you need to hold this line and drag your first app to the top or to the bottom. Then when you see this gray area, let go. And as you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards and selecting home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!